Alright, this is Marius Tech. In this video we're going to be learning how you can be setting up MT King Net VPN application. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. I just beg you to subscribe. I just beg you just to help me and like this video. I set up the tutorial. So as usual, here at Marius Tech, we start up by opening the Google Play Store and downloading the VPN application you're going to set, so that we can prove the right name, the right spelling, and the right log. So just help me and like this video, help me and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more VPN updates. You're going to search MT Net, then MT King Net, MT King Net VPN. This is the VPN application I'm talking about. We're going to set it. Looks like this. It is MT King Net VPN application. It works in all countries and on all networks. So make sure to install it. It is from Exotic Tech. Maybe you are seeing the products. You are going to be setting up this VPN application in the right order. So this is what we are going to do. After installing this VPN application on your mobile device, just run and open the VPN application. And after opening the VPN application, it will be working in all countries and on all networks. So Airtel Uganda, MT in Uganda was blocked, but you can be still using Airtel Uganda on this VPN application. Just buy LAN from home bundles and follow up the procedures I'm going to be directing. So this is what we're going to do. After installing the VPN application, come right here where you have the update, and then first update, choose the online method, and then update. Wait for a few moments for the adverts. So just help me and like this video, help me and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more VPN updates and more tech updates. If there is a trick, we'll be exposing it right here on this YouTube channel. So after updating, then you're going to come right here where we have the auto select server, and then I recommend you to choose a server that is nearest to your location. But for those in Uganda, you can be using the Uganda Premium. In other countries, use the auto server, or you can be choosing from these servers, but choose a server that is near to your location. So I will keep in the auto select server so that the VPN application chooses a server that will be near to my location. So I'm going to come right here where I have the network, and in the network I'm going to choose I'm going to search. I'm not going even to go further. I'm going to just come right here on these two servers. I'm going to be setting up the UDP, and then I will finally come right here where I have the connect button, and I will be connecting. As you see, the VPN application is connected successfully. So I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to help me and like this video. We are Marius Tech, and we promise to keep you connected in all countries and on all networks. Thank you guys for following. I sign out.